There is a hole. Well, I'll try it for a little bit. For the tube, we are at Kaumana Caves near Hilo, and we just got greeted by a chicken. The cave begins right off the road actually, and is very steep. Looks very tropical.
It does.
Ooh, gotta watch it though.
It's much cooler down there though.
Ah, that's the goal.
Yeah.
Slick steep staircase, as it is to be expected in these conditions. Wow, look at that. Very much cooler. I love it. All right, I've entered the fridge. It's getting cooler by the second. This is the bigger part of the cave here, and I actually have a flashlight which is in the car. How silly is that?
We should have kept going. You know, we get out and we're like, ooh, that's really
Yeah, I kind of wanted to do the crawlies.
As soon as it gets quiet, that's when I was like, this is kind of steep.
Yeah.
Let's leave this one.
Much nicer down there. So this is the legit cave entrance here. I always love the entries of tropical caves. Very green, because it's cooler and wetter than most parts. We came semi-prepared because I do have a flashlight and we do have a Lume Cube. So let's see what we get down here.
We're going to test the limits of this Lume Cube and go down to this cave. Some other people that came out said it actually goes down pretty far. So we'll see how far we dare to go in this cave.
Alright. And the Lume Cube has grades of power. So we're about to test them in pitch darkness. And I have a light on my head. Caves, of course, are super slick and dangerous. Lava flowed through this cave in particular. So it's a lava tube, really. I don't know, like, see how it bleeds? A ton of light.
Well, it's also at the max power right now. So
That's
turn
okay.
it down.
I just distance it a little bit. But yeah, I don't know if because our lens are cracked on the GoPro or what, but it's bleeding a ton of light. And the Lume Cube is powerful, and oh wow, the lava is shining from my point of view here. Right there. It's crazy. Well, the ground is jagged, you gotta watch it. This is more like a paved path, but it's lava. Interesting. Going through a lava tube with the GoPro and a Lume Cube.
Yeah, this is a little different. So I don't know if you've been in any caves up in the northwest, but those caves have more of like the stalagmites or stalactites. Like they're like crystals that kind of hang from like the ceilings, but this is totally different.
Yeah, this is straight up lava flowing through here in a tube form. At this point it kind of ends really, because I can make it and I will, but it's blocked and then it gets really short. Wow, this lava looks like plastic, it's so shiny and smooth. Right here it terminates, so actually there is a hole. Well, people did. Well, I did do a lot of duck walking in elementary. I'll try it for a little bit. For the tube. Okay, duck walking on lava. That is next level. With the big camera bag pulling me backward so that I slick too. I see. Oh boy. Oh, it opens up here again. This is what I just went through. It's like half my height. I had to crouch and walk, duck walk pretty much, yeah. And then it opens up again. So now I'm standing again and it's high above me. So that was the kind of a little choke point there. I'm not sure if Susie's gonna do this. Are you shooting over there?
I'm not going any further.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Getting short again. It does go for a long time. It's not as small as you think when you enter. Wow, it opens up right here. Big time. It's so big, in fact, now that my light can't illuminate it. I'm back to the first choke point here, where I now need to make my way out. It requires some crawling around lava rock. Oh. And I am almost out of the hard parts. And here we are back at the exit. Feels like cakewalk now that I can stand and it's pretty even. And here we go back out. I'm completely wet. It's very humid and drips and duck walking and stuff. But it was fun.
Once again, we were very suited to our strengths and weaknesses because that was not something I would do. That was a really cool cave, very different. We went to that one cave in Belize. The mouth of it felt kind of similar, but obviously the rocks are completely different here.
Yeah, and the other cave in Belize had a beach. That was nuts.
That is true.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is different. Lava tube and keeps getting narrow, but sometimes it opens up again, so you don't know when it ends. I thought this was a straight up end, but no, it goes through there and into somebody's property in the jungle. You see this? There's a bathroom and there's even a water fountain.
That cave is actually a state park. So it's somewhere that, you know, they have warning signs are a danger, keep out, you're entering at your own risk. And obviously you have to come prepared, but it is considered a state park and you are free to visit and explore.
Yeah, and America does state parks well, and look, they drill the pipe right through the lava rock and the jungle so they can have a water fountain right on top of the cave. Like, how civilized is the USA?
Or a picnic bench, yeah.
Yes, and you can have a picnic right there. And a lava rock bench as well.
What's also funny is that in Washington you have the Northern State Hospital is also a state park, so you can go explore an abandoned mental hospital.
Yeah, America does parks better than anybody else.